How to book a flight with Aviasales and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book a flight with Aviasales. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, I just want to say that make sure you check the link in the description below for some coupon codes and promo codes that you can apply on your flights, on your checkouts to save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So to use it, all you got to do is just come over here onto the website and just simply go ahead and post or input your destination from into add your departure, whether or not it's a return flight, and then click on add passengers and then search flights. All right, you can even go ahead and search for different hotels as well. Here is the flight map or price map right here, so you can go ahead and check out how much it costs, and these are some of the popular destinations from your location. So you can see right here, we've got Uzbekistan, we've got Mexico, Turkey, Russia, and Italy, Thailand, Spain. You can go ahead and pick whatever you want, right? So let's say we want to go to Mexico, right? We just simply add that, but you can add that from here as well. It's as simple as that. Next, it's going to go ahead and bring up the cheapest flights available. You can also click on the departure date, all right, and just add your departure date and return on, let's go with 15th. Let's go with a whole week, all right? Whole 7 days or 10 days, whatever. And then over here, you just simply go ahead and add your passengers. I think this is okay. And then just click on search. I don't want to open booking.com. I don't want to book any hotels as of right now, but you can go ahead and do that as well. Then just simply go ahead and click on search flight, right? We have to also add the city as well. So I'll go ahead and add the Cancun. So that's actually pretty cool. So now it's going to go ahead and bring up all of the flights, direct flights. All right, so here we go. You can see all of the airlines, all the options that are available. Then you can go ahead and pick whatever you want and you should be good to go, right? So these are a little bit older, but you can go ahead and refresh them and just simply go ahead and pick your flight. Let me go ahead and refresh them one more time. It's looking at over here. You can see on air on all of the airlines that are available. Then you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. You can see right here, these are the direct flights, I believe. There are no in-between stops. And you can just simply go ahead and pick whichever one you want. And then you can go ahead and add the promo codes and discount codes that you can find in the description below and save a bunch of money. So there you have it. It's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.